Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will explain how to connect your smartwatch to your iPhone using the app. This is a step-by-step tutorial, and the first recommendation to ensure everything works correctly is to uninstall the app. If you already have it installed, then reinstall it, so you can follow this tutorial exactly as shown in the video. Before starting, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPhone. Important notice, if you previously tried to connect your smartwatch directly to your iPhone's Bluetooth settings, go to Bluetooth settings and select Forget Device. This step is very important to do before opening the app for the first time, as it will guarantee the success of this tutorial. Step-by-step instructions. First, download the application from the App Store. This process will only take a few seconds. Open the app. It will request several permissions. Follow exactly what I do in the video. Location permission to find Bluetooth devices, select Allow. App tracking permission, choose Ask App Not to Track. Notification permission, select Allow. Not all permissions appear on every device, so if one doesn't show up, don't worry. A registration screen will appear. You can add an email address or simply continue as a guest if you don't want to enter one. In some cases, the app will ask to automatically pair your smartwatch. Tap Accept. The app will automatically connect the smartwatch to your iPhone and ask for permission to allow notifications. Select Allow. It will also request location access. Choose Allow while using the app. To manage notifications, go to the Notifications section. All apps are enabled by default, but you can choose which notifications you want to receive on your smartwatch. To set a custom watch face, go to the top menu and select Image Market, then My Watch Face, choose Album, select an image from your gallery, choose Limited Access, select your photo, and install it. After completing these steps, your smartwatch will be fully connected to your iPhone. If this video was helpful, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.